super duper windy. Yeah, listen to those winds howl. Crazy. I've been clocking about 51, 53 mile an hour wind gust on my weather station, and it's just a little bit insane here today. I was going to do a little video, but it's a little bit windy, so I figured, well, let's do a wind event. This is what we get sometimes here in the Ohio Valley. Can't see down over the hill, but you know, these wind gusts are a little bit insane today. Look at these trees up here. You can just hear them being whipped around. Absolutely insane wind gusts today. We were under a wind advisory here, and now we're under a severe thunderstorm watch. Right now, it's a whopping 74 degrees, and it seems like it's getting warmer. It's just crazy. But great solar output, very great solar output. See, those panels down there are doing good. Besides the wind, neighbor's trash can from over there got blew clear down over here. I wonder if they'll come and get it or not. Whew. Very windy, very windy. Oh, I hear that wind gust again. Here's a big one. It's just whipping around here bad today. Last night, I guess there was very devastating tornadoes down in Mississippi. Hopefully those people down there will recover, and God be with the ones that passed away in that. We got to have a better warning system, people. Better warning. Better warning. But you can't beat it all. Yeah, this is the type of weather that worries me. Winds. As you can see, you know, these are not going anywhere. I'm getting these gusts and it's not even bothering them. No, everybody asked about this one right there, and I was like, the wind blows against it, and it kind of like feels like it's pressing it against the ground. So, but yeah, very windy. Thought I'd come on there and give you guys a little video update. Once again, click like and subscribe. Take care all. Stay safe. And it wasn't even 5 minutes after doing a little bit of video in there, it happened. Yep, 62 mile an hour wind gust finally took it down. So yeah, we're waiting to see what happens. The winds are still rolling. I'm just waiting for this big old water maple here to get blown down now. These winds are kind of nasty today. Looks like cleanup on aisle 2, unfortunately. But hey, that's what we have here when you get high gusty winds. Unfortunately, looks like a lot of work.